A must-have for new parents, the Lotus Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper provides parents with timely reassurance that comes from having baby close up. Perfect for nursing moms and parents who want to co-share their room during the first few months. Adjustable height. The Lotus comes with 4 adjustable height positions that allow you to move it up or down in line with the height of your bed. Plus, it makes picking up and laying your baby down for a nap easy on your back. Portable, with a sturdy yet lightweight design, the Lotus is easy to set up and transport. Move it from one room to another or take it along when you are traveling. With its own carry bag, it can be transported with little effort. Ample ventilation. The Lotus is constructed with mesh panels on both sides that allow for smooth airflow and also provides parents an easy view of the baby. An optional mosquito net canopy comes handy while using the Lotus outdoors. Dimensions 37L x 22.5W x 26H inches, mattress pad dimensions, 32.5 x 21 by 1. Canopy height, 13 carry bag dimensions, 37 by 22.5 by 26 inches JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. Top reviews from the United States. We love it. We bought this bassinet specifically because we have cats and I wanted to keep them out of her space, which it worked great for. We don't use it as a side sleeper, so I can't attest to how well that works. But it's spacious and the mattress seems comfy and our baby has slept through the night since 6 weeks old on it. Took to sleeping it by day 5. Could be unrelated to the bassinet, but I'd still buy it again. It does wobble when she's awake and squirming, but never in a way that makes me feel uncomfortable.